Tony Ferrer, born Antonio Dizing Laksa, was a Filipino actor, director, and producer known as the James Bond of the Philippines. He won Best Actor at the Quezon City Film Festival and received FAMAS Award nominations. Filipino actor Ferrer began his career in 1960 with Kilabat Sa Baralan and has since starred in war, drama, and action films. He made his directorial debut in 1981 with Legs, Katawan, Babay, and appeared in over 155 films. Ferrer, younger brother of Esperidian Laksa, produced Tagalog Along Pictures and EDL Productions. He married Alice Crisostomo and had 2 children. He had a daughter with Maricel Laksa and a son with Pinky Poblet. Ferrer died on the 23rd of January 2021 at home in Pasig, at the age of 86 due to heart illness and diabetic complications.
I hope you don't mind this intrusion. I am Tony Falcon. I want to look out for some beautiful models. And I think you fit the bill. That depends on how far we get. I was going to suggest that.
Kung makikita mo sila, makikilala mo. Ahmed, sama mo sa headquarters siya. For more details. Okay, sir.
Umaga eh. Pumuputukan mo yun.
Ba't hindi mahimasan ng 45 mo?
Honey, everything I have is yours. Lalo. Lumostes ka pa. Eh, mahirap lang ako. Pero straight naman. Walang buta ang konsensya.
Abel.
Siyempre, araw ng koleksyon ko ngayon, di ba?
Oh.
Mr. Lim, bakit mo rin pinagtataguan itong mga bata ko?
Hindi ko magagawa yan.
Ito tandaan mo ha. Ayaw kong pumapalya ka. At lalong ayaw kong pinagtataguan mo yung mga bata ko o inuulol. Baka gusto mong masunog itong lumberyard mo.
Alam mo naman marami akong trabaho ah. Pasensya ka na. Sweetheart ko, kung ano-ano nasa isip mo eh. Alam mo naman mahal na mahal kita. Sige, pag ganyan ka ng ganyan, madali kang tatanda niya.
Kaya atay, bakit may nangyari ba sa kanila? Yang buhay sila.
Nangangatwirang pa ito. From now on, you're suspended for 60 days.
Make it 90.
Okay, 120 na.
Thank you, sir.
Marasigan na gusto magpakabayani.
Lahat ng tao na ito. Si Cristo bago'y bakit sa Diyos. Lumitaw ka ng kita. Bago niya niyagat ang kabayan ng pagpapagsak at nagdasip niya sa bagay ng pagpapagsak. At may nina sa kulang sa kanya. Tandaan niyo, ang dapat kapag nasasakti. Umarag.
Palyado na. May katok pa. Tiniente. Alam mo namang hindi ordinaryong kaso ang murder case. Ngayon mo, bibigyan ka na lang namin ng tip kapag malapit ng malutas ang kaso.
Congratulations, agent. And now,